Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. We are the EllITES and today we're going to be vlogging day 2 of our trip to Eritrea. We couldn't really film much last night because we were
really tired.
Yeah, we were really tired and we were meeting like our family members and stuff, and we just slept for like 18 hours. And today we're going to be vlogging the whole day, so we hope you guys enjoy.
So it's currently like 8 a.m. in the morning and we are going to do some grocery shopping. And I only like have like 2 nakfas. I don't know what this will get me, but I'm hoping it gets me something.
Probably not gonna get you anything, to be honest.
I don't know, man. I just woke up and I'm not even thinking right, so I don't know, man.
We just saw an MUZ pass by, so
Huh?
really
MUZ? What? They don't understand that. Say it again. We just saw what?
MUZ.
Which means a hot girl, by the way. You're trying to flirt with her, but I don't even think she stared at him. Why are you guys in a rush?
Cross the street. Have to hold his hand.
You gotta do a cross sign before you cross any streets here. There are a lot of good views here.
We couldn't vlog much yesterday because we spent most of the day like catching up with our family members and stuff.
Boring. This is literally day 2. We haven't done like anything yet.
Yesterday we went to a couple of places like in the morning.
We don't actually know where we went to. We're just walking straight and that's it. That's the only direction you have to walk here. Just straight and you're gonna find anything you want. The weather is pretty sick here too. It's really great and it's really cold. It's not really cold, it's just chilly. Like it's just great. That's it. This is the supermarket we're gonna go to.
Family market.
It's called Family Supermarket. I'm gonna try to buy stuff by just 2 nakfas. It's gonna be pretty crazy. Oh yeah, we have some stuff that we know. Yeah, look, it's 20 nakfas, 20, and I only got 2, 30, 80. Nani? This is 80. What the hell?
He's trying to buy everything just by 2 nakfas. Is that you?
Yeah, I just got like 2 nakfas. That's it. Shit, they have the new Spider-Man game.
Yeah, this is the new Spider-Man game. 15 nakfa.
How much is it?
15
nakfa. Come on, man. Why is everything over 2 nakfas? I only got 2 nakfa. Hey, you gotta do quick math. You only got 200 nakfa.
That's 24.
24? No.
I'm gonna get this 24. What do you mean no?
Damn, you're pretty quick. Most we have 200 nakfa. We have 12 siblings. How many toothbrush can we buy?
We have 12 siblings. We have 12 nakfa.
We have 200 nakfas. That's it.
10 nakfa.
No. Oh, Barwata. Yo, this is something you find here just randomly coming in Eritrea. This is lit. Busy now. This is crazy. What's his new friend?
I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land, had me out like a light. Hey, yo.
So this is literally, the lighting is so bad I have to walk backwards. The lighting is terrible, so I have to walk backwards. This is literally the only thing we got by 200 nakfas. Come on, man. What the hell?
We got water too.
Oh, we got water too, so alright. It was worth it. It's just like, it's crazy insane. Like you have like a lot of money in your pocket and then you just go into the store and then come out with literally 2 nakfas. Actually, you at least come out with 1 nakfa. That's it. We had a lot of money in the store, but this is what we came out with. Do you know where our house is?
Yeah, you go in the store.
I think.
Yeah, but you gotta use the white, man.
Yeah. Yo, follow the rules. Rule number 1, always follow the rules. Don't just cross. You might get hit. You gotta look left. All right. Most, do you have one?
One more. We have to get one more. Toothbrush? We have to go back to the store. You're kidding.
Shit.
So I'm pretty sure you guys can't see me, but we're going back because Haley over there forgot 1 toothbrush.
Always forgetting.
So we're going back with Moses over here. We're gonna cross the street. I think he's crossing the street illegally. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you have to stay in this lane. Yeah, he almost got hit by a car because he was crossing the street illegally, bro. Oh, we met Wata guy again, bro.
Moses, you should stop crossing illegally, man. What the hell? You almost got us killed.
So we're back home right now. What do you think about the trip?
Man, I don't know. This car is really wicked.
This man just wanted to run me over, bro. I don't know, he's super mad.
Look how Moses opens the door, guys. This is scary. I don't know, it's his own house. He still has to look left, right for some reason.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
He has to illegally open it, that's why. We're back home. This is part 2. This is how he opens the other door.
Uh-oh. No, this was cold.
Yeah, it's cold. What was he doing? We're going upstairs.
Oh my god, going upstairs is the cardio.
Our luggage is still here. It's only the half of it, by the way.